This is crazy. You guys are not going to believe this. You have a little bit of water, a little bit of hand sanitizer. Make sure you squirt it in there. Then some lemon juice, just 2 drops. Then just a little bit of salt, okay? And then you take a marker. We'll use, let's use red, okay? You dip the tip of the marker down into the mixture here, all right? All right, let's see if this works. I don't think it'll work. Let's see. It does work. You can pull that ink right out of there like that. Man, that's crazy. I'm about to show you the world's most dangerous chopper that there is. Do not try this at home. I promise you it will not work the same way. I've been doing this for a long time. I'm a trained professional. Here we go. Did I get you? All right, just got this magic puzzle. Let's see what's inside. Instructions. Ooh, magic spray, I guess. A stapler. And, ooh, I guess this is part of the puzzle, the rope. Okay, let's see. What's it say here? Place ropes into bag. Okay, ropes go into the bag like this. Okay, all right. Now I'll take magic spray and spray inside bag. Close up tight and staple. Close up tight and staple. There and there. Perfect. Okay, let's see what it says here. What's it say now? Oh, shake bag. Okay, now pop the bottom of the bag, okay? Pull out rope. Oh. Look at that. Look what happened. It's one continuous loop. Wow, what a puzzle.
On and on.
Okay guys, behind the scenes, please do not tell anybody about this video. I'm going to levitate right before the camera, okay? Okay guys, today I'm going to levitate right before your eyes. I hope you're ready. So my hands are nothing here. I just got to concentrate. Concentrate. Oh, I'm going. Oh, look at me. Oh, look at me. You guys see me. Okay, I did not think that would work. That was crazy. Don't tell anybody.
I got my hands on the world's most craziest, insane finger chopper that there ever is built. Okay, here we go. Watch. 1, never done this before. 2, and you do the... Ah!